In this video, we're taking a look at one of the workhorses of graphic design, a drawing board loved by creatives all around the world, the Ackworth Crosswire. Welcome to Orchard. We make creative products for creative people in almost every industry you can imagine. From right here in Yorkshire, we manufacture and ship to our amazing customers all around the world. So hit the subscribe and bell icon. How's it going? I'm Matt, and in this video we're taking a look at the Ackworth Crosswire drawing board. Okay, so the Ackworth is a freestanding drawing board with an A-frame stand, and we're taking a close look at the Crosswire version, which has a more compact parallel motion. There is an alternative counterweight system, which I'll discuss later. So the Crosswire parallel motion is a simple but really effective way to ensure that the straight edge stays horizontal wherever you put it. It has a continuous wire on the back of the board and relies on friction to stop the straight edge sliding down under its own weight. The result is that it takes a little extra effort to move the straight edge compared to the counterweight version, but you get a benefit of a more compact board which is still suitable for professional work. The straight edge itself is a white aluminium rail with a transparent blade which has been precision machined for accuracy. With its A-frame stand, it gives you height and angle adjustment so you can position your board exactly where you want. It also folds away and slides off if you need to store or transport your drawing board. This is the main feature of the Ackworth, as it's nice and sturdy whilst being light enough to easily move around. So the Ackworth is available in 3 sizes, starting at the smallest for A2 paper and going to the largest for A0 paper. The middle one, the A1, is by far the most popular, as it's a very common size of paper for architecture and design. The A1 also gives you plenty of working space if you find yourself drawing on anything smaller. As I mentioned earlier, there is another version of this drawing unit which is fitted with a different type of parallel motion. This is the Ackworth counterweight, which comes in all the same sizes but with an upgraded parallel motion. If you want to find out more information about this one, then click the card in the corner or down in the description. So is the Ackworth Crosswire right for you? Well, if you need an A2, A1 or A0 freestanding drawing board with a compact, no-frills parallel motion, then look no further. We make them right here in the UK, supply them fully assembled and build them to last with a lifetime warranty. If you like our videos and products, then please show us some love in the comments and hit the like and subscribe buttons so you'll know when we upload something new. Thanks for watching.
Do people still even make drawing boards?
Yep.